guys, so today I'm going to do my squishy collection, and today I choose a very good background. So you can see it's great and some cupboards inside. So let's get started. So first we're going to start with my squishies. I got homemade and bought one, so I'm just going to sort them up and make you guys see. So I sort them up, and this is my homemade area, and this is my box, and I made some tag for them, and I have some tag for my sister. So I got this donut with sprinkles, a little bit deflected. Yes, it is deflected, and I put all of them into a plastic bag. And this is what I make my tag. It's pretty squishy. I have this ice cream squishies, and this is the tag. It's pretty squishy. I have this, it looks like a carrot, but it looks like a bread, so I call this bread with some sprinkles and zigzag ones. I got both of these, one more I have there, same one at Target. It's not that squishy. I got this Unakuma macaron, heart-shaped macaron. It's not that squishy, so this is the tag. I have this emoji face bun. This is the tag. It's pretty squishy. I have this cake. It's cake squishy. Next, I have the bun. This looks like a bowl tag. It's hard, it's not that squishy. Next, I have this jumbo bun. It's hamburger bun tag. It's very spongy. Next, I have this croissant, and this is my favorite one in the jumbo buns. It's really rubbery, but it's not that squishy, but it's soft and rubbery. And it's deflected. Next, I have this jumbo bun, the angry face bun with these design tags. Pretty squishy too, and this is also one of my favorite one. Next, I have this face bun. Maybe you can see the face. So I don't really know if it's pancake or what. It's not that squishy, but it's so cool. Next, I have this Unakuma bun with this very cool tag, design tag. It's pretty squishy. Last one that I have in this box that I bought, it was this Minion bowl. It's with me for 3 years already, so it's pretty super duper squishy. let me show you. So yeah, I'll cover it with my Olmec squishy in my box. So now I have my Olmec squishy in my box. So let's get started. First I have this cake with these details are very cool and very nice decorated details. But then it's with the cake right there is really defected. And it's not really my favorite. So let's push it. Next I have this cheesecake. A little bit defected. Next I have this chocolate bar. It's really cute and colors. Okay. Next I have this orange slice, rotten slice. You can see the rotten part. Next I have a pretty cake. And it's not really defected. It's really cool. Then I have this happy birthday one. I have the photo frame one. I have the purple slice cake one. I have this purple slice cake. I have this emoji face but and last one is the cat. I have this green tea emoji face but and it's so hard to put the cat in and I use stapler bullets. It's also pretty squishy. So that's what I have in my collection. So I have 26 squishies plus the whole big one is 26. So thanks for watching my video and I love you guys. I will do more squishy collections if I have more. My target is to go to 100 squishies. So I will do a review and I ordered some squishies and I don't really know where they're coming, so I'm still waiting for them to come. So it was sent to my auntie's house and I will touch it, but I'm not gonna do this review. I will just open the box and when I came home I will show you guys. Sorry. Bye bye.